Carpool 309 is a website that helps people to share their car journeys. New users can either register an account on our system or use their existing Google ID to log in. To create a new account, simply click Register, then fill in your information and click Register. To use your existing Google ID, click Sign in with Google, then log into your Google account as usual in the pop-up window. After successful login, the user will be redirected to our application homepage. This is the homepage of our system. By clicking the logo L or Home button on the navigation bar, you will be redirected to this page again. This is the message notification icon. You will see notification if you receive new message from other users. On the right of the navigation bar, you will see your profile picture and display name. By clicking it, you can see a menu with options to visit your own profile or to sign out from the system. This page also allows users to see all users registered in the system. To search for a specific user, you can enter a keyword which is included in the user's display name, email, and description. In the middle, you can search a new trip, and on the right, you can see all your search history in the system.
For editing your own profile, let's go to the right corner to click on the profile. And then we will go into our profile page. So here, let's click the edit button. We can choose the field you want to edit, and then enter the name, and then confirm, and then click the save button, like that. So let's go back to the homepage and then trying to comment on other users. So you can see other users' information here. So let's add in some comments here. After that, the average rating and then other stars will change correspondingly. And then your rating will be on the last page.
So going back to the home page, so we can see a middle function of search. So for search, there is a from and to fields, which are destinations that you want to import. It can be a postal code like this, or it can be a city name or any street address or Google valid address. So type in like Markham here. So for expected price, it will be the price like the search algorithm will match for your trips. So it will automatically, if you input 60, it will automatically search the best trip around this price. So expected is the date that the trip will happen. So it won't accept any date like later than right now. So I'll type in 1207. So and for distance offset is more like the range. It's more like the range you want to search your trip. So if I enter 30, it means you want to search your from or destination distance within your range of 30 kilometers. So after filling all this blank, you'll choose either you are a trip provider, which means you provide a trip, or you want a trip. So in this case, I will select trip wanted. So click on search button. So then here you'll see two lists. One list is the list of trips which still to the best means it actually meets your need, meets all your criteria you have imposed. So if you click on them, you'll see on the left is the trip you have searched, the trip you have returned, which satisfy your need. On the right, you'll see your own trip. So you can see any difference here when you zoom in, and you can view more detailed information in the middle about the price and departure date. And if you are satisfied with this user or this trip, you can directly scroll down and view his rating and send message to this user. And if we go back to the previous page, on the right you will see a list of users which are recommended to you, since these users have shared similar like from and to destinations. As you can see, if you click into them, so they will have the similar trips requests like you. So you can carpool with them, or you can compare the price with them in order to like save your money.
So if you want to chat with someone, just go to his or her profile page. Then you will see the send message button. Click it. The chat window will be popped up. You can type your messages and click to send it. But at this time, the receiver account is offline, so we just logging in now. Now you can see a new message notification on the envelope. Click on the envelope, you can see a sender list. So just click it. The chat window will pop up. Chat history and the new messages will be shown in the chat box. Now these two accounts are all online. If they both keep the chat window opening, they can receive each other's messages in real time. But if not, when you have a new message, a new message notification will appear.
If the login user is an administrator, an admin panel button will be shown in the navigation bar. The admin panel will show an overview of the application. This includes the number of current online users, the list of all users, the list of all reviews and all trips that are searched in our online application. Administrators can then review and delete inappropriate comments and trips here if necessary by clicking the cross button near the comment or trip.